Hello, this is Gary here again, and as you can see, we're looking at my stovetop, and anybody who has ever had a flat stovetop will understand what these rings are. If you let something boil over, then the heat will pretty much just cook it to the stovetop. So what we're going to do today is we're going to put together, in this video, easy scouring powder. We're going to put it on here and we're going to let it soak, and then we're going to see how it works with removing these ugly rings. So just a second, we're going to get all our stuff together and then we'll mix it up and we'll put it on here and we'll see how it works. Okay, so we're ready to mix up our scouring paste. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 1 cup of baking soda, and we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of Dawn dishwashing liquid. And then if you can see over here, I've got some hot water. I heat it in the microwave. And we're going to slowly pour this in and make a paste. As you can see here, we've got a paste-like consistency. So now once we've got this paste, what I'm going to do is I'm going to spoon it on this ring, let it sit for about 30 minutes, and then we'll use a scouring pad to take it off. And you see how this is a paste-like consistency. Okay, so now we're just going to spoon this on to the stains. There we go. And now I'm just going to spread the rest of it out here. And we're going to put that on, actually on the burner top. We'll see if we can't get some of the stains off of that. Put a little there where it's a little thinner. Now, we'll let that sit on there for about 30 minutes and then we'll come back and scrub it off and see how this works. So stay tuned. Alright, so let's scour this a little bit and see how this works. Well, as you can see from it changing colors, it's definitely taking some of it off. So as you can see from comparing the left burner to the right burner, the paste worked, did a great job. So try some of this, let us know what you think, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.